The LaBrant family has just taken their $5.4 million mansion off the market after only having it listed for a number of weeks. The famous YouTube family, who live in Tennessee, allowed for an extra glimpse inside their lavish home after putting it on the market back in October. Despite often featuring in their videos, the closer look at their family home showed fans just how big their house was, with rooms for homeschooling, relaxing, and hosting guests. The couple made plans to sell their home as they prepared to build a new compound from scratch after they acquired a plot of land back in April. They said on Instagram at the time, "Woo, we just bought our dream 18-acre property, so excited, feels surreal." They also revealed that they're planning to build a farmhouse with a barn and space for cows, horses, chickens and goats, as well as room for guests on the property. They're also planning to host marriage retreats on the property, as well as setting up space for local children to be homeschooled there too. It's not currently known why the family has delisted the property so soon, but people have suspected it may be because work on their custom-built home could be delayed, meaning they want to hold back on selling their existing property for now. But news of their big move isn't the only reason the Christian family have been making headlines in recent weeks. In September 2022, the family faced a tragic loss when daughter Everly's biological father, Tommy Smith, passed away unexpectedly at the age of 29. Savannah LaBrant, Everly's mother, shared the heartbreaking news on Instagram, noting that Tommy loved Everly immensely and asked for privacy while the family navigated the grief. The Orange County Sheriff Coroner revealed that Tommy's death was caused by an accidental overdose of fentanyl, but fans were quick to point out an eerie post about Everly from her father's Instagram account just months before his death. It read, "I'll love you and be there for you till I'm 6 foot under." One fan commented the caption is heartbreaking. Everly's mother Savannah and stepdad Cole acknowledged Tommy's death in a video update, saying Everly was doing as well as she could in the situation.
She obviously has her moments and she gets very sad, and we love on her and we talk with her through it.
In a separate incident, fans were quick to react to a video posted by Cole on his Instagram and TikTok accounts, which showed him and Everly dancing to "I'll Be Missing You" by Sean Diddy Combs. Viewers were outraged as the video was posted just days after news of Diddy's arrest for federal charges. One TikToker responded to the video commenting, "I know this was supposed to be a cutesy father-daughter dance, but was not the right time to use this song." One fan clapped back in support of the family, saying, "Y'all are actually dramatic. Just because they dance to a Diddy song doesn't mean they support his ideas." Another commented, "I think it's because last year and the year before, since her dad died, they've done this dance to this song while at this vacation spot." But the controversy doesn't end there for the YouTubers. Savannah and Cole both shared to their respective Instagrams that Cole had officially adopted Everly as his daughter, describing it as the best day of his life. The content creator shared a video montage of him and Everly in an emotional tribute to their relationship of stepdad and daughter over 8 years, and finished with clips of them in the courtroom finalising the adoption. In the moving post, Cole captioned the video with a heartfelt message to his now adopted daughter, which read, "Everly, you've always been my daughter. It was never about blood, last name or adoption status, but I can't say I wasn't overjoyed when you told us this was something you wanted to happen. I'll always love you, Ev." In a text message shared by Cole, Everly also expressed her gratitude for the day, explaining how it was one of the best days ever and how it made her feel so special. Many fans shared words of love and congratulations for the happy news. Savannah also shared the news with a black and white photo the moment the adoption was finalised, as well as a change to her daughter's name, signing the caption off with Everly Rose LaBrant. Previously, Everly's surname was her mother's maiden name, Sutis. Savannah wrote, "Cole was only 19 when we met him. When I tell you he stepped right into this role with zero holding back, I mean it. Let me clarify that Cole wasn't mine and Everly's saviour by any means, but I believe that God can put people into your life to help you see the light and save you from a hard place.